Hey guys, this is Ricky and check out my Crash Test Hobbies Assassin. For power, I have the EMAX CF2812 and I have a 35 amp ESC. My battery is a 18650 3000 milliamp pack 3-cell that I made. For control, I have an Express ELRS receiver, little 4-channel receiver. And then my transmitter is the little Flite Test branded pocket. I think my servos are a little small. They are little EMAX 9050 ones. And I 3D printed the control horns. I 3D printed the little fins. And on the bottom, I 3D printed the little motor mount. For flight time, I get about 25 minutes on this pack, and that's still with about 50% left in the tank.
Motors armed.
The motor's pretty quiet.
Minutes. Motors disarmed.
Thanks for watching.